Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. We are now taxiing towards NAIA Terminal 3 for your proper disembarkation. Ligaya pagdating sa Maynila, kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparan pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Tayo po'y patungo ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 3 para sa maayos na pagbaba. We're pleased to announce we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of flight crew headed by Captain Alvaro First Officer Sardalia, with their in-flight cabin crew, Kate, Rhyme, and Lynette, this is Gwen. Thank you for making Cebu Pacific your airline of choice. Guests with connecting flights with Cebu Pacific Air are advised to proceed to transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, you may approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation. Thank you.
Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seat belts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have been dislodged or shifted during aircraft movement. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintaying matanggal ang babalang pagkabit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. May we remind guests with infants that the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket. Please be advised that the unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. As a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing.